afternoon, sir. Welcome to SIBM Hyderabad. I'm Varshata from Team Hashtag, PR and Website Club of SIBM Hyderabad. Here to ask you a few questions. So the first question is, what could be one of the HR trend that will be happening in the year 2030 that excites you the most?
Sure. In 2030, not a major drift I see. Okay, the students who are passing out of these schools, right, or from IITs, NITs, from undergrad, the skills that they are now having are far superior than what we had maybe in our times. Right, from making a website in quick seconds, in quick minutes, right, and then providing digital solutions to our problems which we used to solve manually. I think that part is going to hit us really fast. The number of people that we needed to do all of this is going to reduce a little. Maybe next 5 years, in next 10 years, I see a huge jump coming in there. So digitization, of course, is coming in with the students being more aware about these platforms, and of course the tech that has now come in. For example, Claude, ChatGPT, multiple other platforms. You don't even need to do any sort of coding. Everything happens on its own. So that part is something that is quite different.
So the second question is, what are few of the skills that would remain constant in the world of AI?
Sure. So when you talk about skills I divide into three parts. Okay, one could be the technical skills, one could be the functional skills, and one is the human skills. While technical skills is something that is changing, which I just mentioned about, the functional and the human skills are supposed to remain constant. And what do you mean by functional and human skills? Functional skills would be something like knowing the P&L, knowing how the company is operating, what are the profits the company is making. If you are in any domain, it is important to know that aspect. Also, the other functional aspects of your respective function, HR, finance, so on and so forth. The human skills, the third part which I talked about, is something that a person needs to develop, and that is going to remain constant. Be it ethical coding or sort of trying to enforce anything or get any work done without even authority. So we call it influence without authority. So all of these things are going to remain constant. It's just that we need to ensure that we learn all of those from the scratch.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.